Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, trailering package, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.